When you make this figure, your hand must go from side to side like this. So you make a hand roll, first on one side and then on the other side. So start on one side, change the hand position, make another hand roll, go to the other side and make a hand roll. Every time from side to side. And the movement goes upwards. Like this. And every time you have the nunchaku on your inside, you make an extra turn. There. Extra turn.